What is going on today, my friends? Today's Friday, August the 16th. And let me just say, sorry for being gone for so long. MIA, missing in action. It's been quite some time, guys. And let me just start off the video by saying that volatility has not slowed down, not even a little bit. The markets have been as toxic as ever, upside, downside, every sideway action you could possibly think of has been a reality. Exactly, kind of the prediction that I really had in general. Um, but let's just go ahead and break a few things down, just the essentials that I always usually get into. Crude oil, Brent oil, we're floating in the 90s, 80s range. Like I said, it's in terms of accumulation before we head to that next leg upside, heading into winter months, we're going to see a heat up in oil. So keep an eye on any oil names that you usually invest in or are looking to invest in. Keep an eye on these guys. The dollar is right now at 109. I mean, it's just insane. The value of the U.S. dollar is just bonkers. I mean, we're at 20, 30-year highs, if I'm not mistaken, and it doesn't seem to be slowing down. So, I mean, just keep an eye on that. Bitcoin right underneath $20,000. Still, there's still a ton of support levels that still need to be retested or tested, not even retested. They're going to be tested, in my opinion. Under 15,000, most likely under 10,000. I don't know, guys. I mean, my presumption is that we're going to see a drop under 15,000 at minimum. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, in terms of the valuation of Bitcoin, obviously it's a limited resource, quote unquote, limited. I don't. It's obviously because of the halving and everything like that. So, just it is what it is. I mean, we'll see what happens with the volatility with it. But yeah, markets have been absolutely all over the place. Don't want to drag on too long, guys. Want to keep this a simple video and just get straight to the point. Market was extremely red today, and let's go ahead and start by breaking down the SPY. Um, last last time I made a video, I'm not entirely sure what sentiment I had at that time, but as you guys can see, we have been all over the place. Recently, we just retested back up to the 410 level and completely collapsed. Retested 400 again, not 410. What is this? No, we hit 410. What do you, I'm silly. 430 here in August, downtrend to 380, back up to 410, and now look at where we are right now, 387. Massive jump in after hours today, and that's a very good sign heading into next week's rate hike. So keep an eye on that, guys. I really do believe that we are going to see a rally next week. I for some reason, I have this gut feeling that we're going to see the complete opposite of what is going to happen. So keep this on watch. SPY is obviously options are a very dangerous thing to do, but that's usually what I focus on with it. And you just got to make sure that you follow your rules and minimize losses if they do happen and if your puts or calls go against you. So keep that on watch, guys. Moving on over to KOLD. I've been talking about KOLD for quite some time, guys. Recently, I talked about it 3 days ago when it was $10. Now look at where we are. We're at 13 and some change. And natural gas, there had been a pullback. I mean, in my honest opinion. So natural gas still holding a little bit, nothing too substantial, but natural gas still. I see this heading back up to the $20 range. So, like I said before, accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. That's just the bottom line. As we get more updates on inventories and whatnot, I believe that we are going to see 15, then 16, then 17, and so on and so forth, back to 20. As you guys can see here in Boyle, which is the bullish ETF of natural gas, head and shoulders pattern that formed, and exactly what I thought happened, essentially. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and then here we go. And I see us hitting this general range. So keep an eye on this general range right here. I mean, honestly, right in this area, I see us heading somewhere here. So keep this on watch, guys. That's going to send KOLD, like I said, to the 20, 25, even $30 range. So keep it on watch. KOLD is one of the holdings. I'm still holding that, by the way. Moving on over to SOXL, a semiconductor bullish ETF, absolutely ravaged to the downside, and I did buy call options here when the price was about $11.50. Now we are just over $12, and I see us making a massive move to the upside. And that is just due to the fact that we see money coming back into the buy side in the market. We see more bullish sentiment. And next thing you know, guys, I really do see us hitting that $15 range right over here. Let me give you guys a kind of an idea. I see us hitting this general area in the coming weeks. My expiration is out in a month, so it's I have a lot of wiggle room and whatnot. So gonna keep a close eye on it. I'm very bullish on SOXL on the chip names, so keep that on watch, guys. Last but not least, going to talk about Affirm. Affirm has made me some good money on the short side, and now flipping to the long side, and for a good reason, in my personal opinion. This is one of those names that responds obviously directly with the market, and as long as we have some bullish momentum heading to the upside, and we have sympathy names that are also moving like PayPal and other finance names, SoFi, we're going to see this move pretty significantly, guys. So keep Affirm on watch. Um, Make sure to check out the stock twits. Let me open that up for you guys. Check out the stock twits at the Deepster7, posting there for you consistently and constantly. And bottom line is, guys, sorry for being gone for so long. I'm back. I want to post more content on a consistent basis. Make sure to follow me here. I have not stopped. I've been fully active here, and I hope you guys have been profitable this week and all this time that we haven't seen each other. And I will update you guys on Monday. Follow the stock twits. Like this video. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. And all right, guys, enjoy the weekend. See you guys on Monday.